We might want to retain that as the formation speed anyway. I'm having trouble with 270. And I'm going to check left 318. 3. Noah Overlord, I see a echelon of ships facing to the south. Are we going for the closest one to us?
That's kind of hard to tell on the scope, but yeah, that's your baby right there.
Walk up the closest one to us.
Just want to confirm, it is the rightmost hit on the closer echelon, yeah?
Affirmative, and we're going to check left 310.
310, roger.
At 50 miles, I'll give the call. Each expend 1 harpoon on that target.
Recommend fencing?
Yeah, fence in. Noah, Bruiser.
Noah Overlord, update your surface contacts. Roth 318 for 50 nautical miles.
Be advised, we're out to the east, just expended 3 harpoons on the target. Roger that. Well, nothing locked us up, so that was good. Jesus, look at the air defenses coming off that.